Hey, welcome everyone to my channel and learn. And yeah, welcome to this new video. We'll be seeing one another amazing flow. Let me tell you about the flow details. So, the flow is very useful for all those people who have received many emails and they have to save the email attachment. So, if it can be any Excel file you receive daily and you want that Excel file to by default whenever you receive an email, you want that particular Excel file to move to a particular folder on your OneDrive. So that's also a manual hustle that you need to check for the emails daily. You have to download the attachment and then manually move that downloaded attachment to a particular folder. But machine is already there to do the job. If you don't know how to do it, I'm gonna show you the complete flow. I'll explain you each and every step. And हाँ, तुम लोग भी फॉलो कर सकते हो, कोई इशू नहीं है. Just Power Automate, just open the Power Automate, log in with your ID, and yeah, as usual what we do is I will be making the flow, you will be following with me. And yes, maybe you will also create the flow where you will be receiving like tens or 20 of emails with the attachments, and you will be saving each attachment to a particular folder. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's get started after the intro. Shoot. So based on the previous video reviews, I have seen that I have both audience, which is Hindi audience and English audience. So what I'll be doing is in upcoming videos, I'll try to use English language, which is the combination of English and Hindi, so that both Hindi audience and the English audience can follow along with me. By the way, this is the Power Automate interface. I have covered a detailed video what this interface is, what each thing over here is. So if you want to know like what the Power Automate is, what are these details over here, you can go watch out the first two videos. I have also explained you how you can create your first flow. So in this particular video, we'll be creating the flow where you will be receiving multiple emails daily, right? And based on those emails, they also have some attachments which are present in the email, and you want to move those attachments to a particular folder. So it's a manual hustle that you have to go daily to those emails, download the email, save the attachment to the folder. But ditch the hustle, man. Ditch the hustle. When you have machine working for you, why you need to do the hustle which computer can do? Make your time more productive. Make your work more productive. Focus on the things. Focus on the creative things which only the human brain can do, not the machines. So let's put the brains to instructing the machine what are the work machine has to do. So first thing is we are gonna go on this create option over here. In this create, today we'll be creating an automated cloud flow. So what it will do is it will check each and every email which will be coming to your inbox. Will be downloading the attachment based on a particular subject line which you will be receiving in your email. So let's say you receive an accounts report, daily accounts report, okay, from the finance team. You daily receives accounts report, and you want that account report, daily account report, to be present in a particular folder. So what we are going to do is we are going to select this automated cloud flow. What are these flows? These flows runs whenever there is a trigger which we announce. So trigger can be anything: a new message in Teams, a new email in your Outlook, a new file in your OneDrive. But to this particular case, we'll be taking the look at the trigger which is regarding receiving the new email. So whenever you receive a new email, this particular flow will be triggered. It will check for the subject line of the mail, and based on the subject line it will save the attachment to your OneDrive. No more further talks, let me show how you can do it, and you will get better idea once we start building it. So click on automated cloud flow, name it downloading boring attachments to a location. So just name it that you're downloading daily boring attachments, right? And हम में से किसी को पसंद नहीं है डेली अटैचमेंट्स डाउनलोड करो बोरिंग एंड उनको एक लोकेशन पे स्विच आउट करो. सो हम नाम भी इसको यही देंगे दैट डाउनलोडिंग बोरिंग अटैचमेंट्स टू ए लोकेशन. ट्रिगर हम रखेंगे व्हेन ए न्यू ईमेल्स अराइव बिकॉज वी वांट टू रीड ईच एंड एवरी ईमेल. Okay, so over here select the when a new email arrives if you have the personal account, and if you have an organizational account select when a new email arrives v3. Click on create. Once you click on create, it has connected to my organizational account. Over here now the trigger point is clear that whenever I will be receiving new emails, so this particular flow should be triggered. Okay, and after that just click on plus icon over here, click on allow. So what we are going to do next, we are going to check for the subject line, and to check for a particular subject line we need to introduce a condition over here, because what we are going to see is that if a particular subject contains a particular words in it. So for example, currently we are seeing an email for daily accounts report, right? So we're gonna check for that particular subject, that a particular subject contains accounts report or not. Over here if we click on this, you have the dynamic content. I have already explained what the dynamic content is. If you really want to see what it is in depth, you can watch my previous videos. And if you want to know what dynamic content is in depth, then I'll be making another video. Just drop me a comment that you want a precise and in-depth video of dynamic content. So over here if you click on this, what we are going to do is we're going to check the subject. So we are going to select subject. What should be the condition? We just want to check that the subject contains specific words or not. So we are going to check over here. So let's say you receives an email daily, you daily receives an email with the subject line accounts report, and you just provide the subject and the contains, and over here just provide the accounts report over here. That particular subject should contain accounts report, then only this flow will be looking for the attachment. Why we are not checking each and every flow? Because first thing is to improve the flow's performance. So we don't want to check each and every emails attachment and everything. It will reduce your flow's performance. So what you can do is you can introduce a condition. So if and only if that condition is satisfied, then only it will look for the attachment, otherwise it will just skip the flow. So we are going to do this over here. So now you have two things over here. One is to one the condition is true and one the condition is false. We want to check for true. So we'll click on we'll go inside the true and we'll click on add action. We are going to create one file in OneDrive. So what we are going to do is we are going to create one file inside the OneDrive. Okay, and in this file we are going to take the content from the email which we received. So over here you have to just provide the folder path. Let me do that very quickly. Let me provide the folder path. So I have provided the folder path over here. I want to provide the file name. So let's provide name as daily accounts report dot xlsx. So it's gonna be Excel file. So we have just provided the extension over here. Then over here we are gonna use the dynamic content, and in the dynamic content we are gonna select for attachments content. Okay, so just click on this attachments content. It will apply for each loop over here. So there could be multiple attachments inside a file, right? So that's why the for each loop is here, so that it will look for each and every attachment and it will save. I'm gonna save this flow. So currently you can see I am inside my folder. There is no any file or any attachment. I'm just gonna send that report over here, daily accounts report, and you will see how it actually works. Okay, so I have just drafted an email. You can see I am just sending the email to myself, and it is daily accounts report. This is the email which we are gonna send. So I'm just gonna click on send over here. The email has been sent, and let's check our inbox if we have this particular mail. Yes, we have this inbox mail over here with this particular data. Now let's see if our flow has worked properly or not. Okay, so we can see our flow has actually worked, and let me go to this OneDrive. Let me refresh the page, and yes, here you have it, your daily accounts report having all the data from that particular. So currently the name of this is sample sales data. but we have already renamed it inside the flow only while creating the flow. So then it has been saved with the daily accounts report only, which we have provided the format is the same, and it will have all the data which will be present in that particular sheet. So that's how you create this particular easy flow, which is gonna save hours of your daily hustle. And you can follow this, you can do this, and if you successfully do this, do mention me in the comment section that hey Aditya, I have done this. If you have any further suggestion, do share the suggestion. I'll be happy to take the feedback, and I'm always open to the feedback. We will be improving the quality in our future videos. So yeah, do like, share this video, subscribe this channel to automate your life. And yeah, let's ditch the hustle. Let machines do the job. Let's do some uniqueness as we are the human. So never lose your uniqueness. See you in the next video. Tada, bye bye.